National Highway Imphal Dimapur amadi Jiri lambi da chingi sakhangdaba khulai paibasingna lambi gi chathok chasin tawriba potchai puba trucksing amadi passenger gari singdagi makhal kaya illegal tax lobagi thabuk chathabada laingakna thingmangamdabasi yam leibak thibani Manipur gi lifeline oiriba highway sing marwain Imphal Dimapur lambi gi tongan mafam singda lalhauba singna security force singi mamangda truck amadi passenger gari singdagi road tax good tax loba driver sing phuba amadi pharaga puhibagi thabak sing lisang sina chatharkhiba asin maram oiraga miyam akitu jung poknare sakhangda bukhulai paibasing aduni makhoi oiba tongan check post hangdoktuna miyam dagi logi wangmada tax loba thabak security force singi mamang makta phong chatharabasu kaisu tawungamdaba asina lengak leitabag chap manare Masimakti yamna lebak thibani miyamgi lifeline oiriba national highway sing sakhangda bukhulai paibasingna illegal tax lobagi thabak sing chatharibasi thingnanaba miyamgi maikai dagi lengakta highway protection force thambinanaba kerak an haijrabasu thabu ina pangthok pidi truck singdagi road amadi goods tax amadi puba thangmangam loidaba demand singna maram oiraga lalolti tawbasingna miyamdagi mamal hengan an lobagi thabak chathabadagi masigi chaitheng lairaba miyamna mayuknabadagi hingmangamdabagi phimda lekle Sakhangda bukhulai paibasingna lambi de sengkai tungkai chathaba ban blockade tawba driver sing phar ge ransom tanba phuba hatpa amadi passenger singdagi namduna sel sana lupana ching problem si munbagi thabak chathabada laingakna thingmangamdabasi laingaki mathakta lamen tu bising asi leirabra haibasi miyang wahangni passenger singdagi lut tawbadagi hendoktuna nupi obising ikai khumnabadi singnatuna namja namthoknaba phawbu chathabai wathok leigrabani National Highway singda khutpu semduna terrorism gi lisa chatharibasing mathakta India government amadi Manipur government maikai dagi akhanna bamding changduna mana leibasing mathakta logi oi bechara piu highway da chatok chasin tawriba miyam aki tutung amat yaudun mantam chatpang mallu highway da chatok chasin tawri miyam sing asi ayambana sel thungi phim phatab lairaba miyo singni chenjau paipa ina kaya khunba miyo singdi lambi gi flight da awab amat yaudun chakhibana makha da thengnei awab sing asi amat khangdabum tawri poche puba truck singdagi road tax good tax numit kuting tax lobagi mathakta tha gi amani chahi gi oina tax lobadagi hendoktuna puba thang ngamdaba demand sing tawbagi awaba chething mayoknaribasi nongmagi sura nomlaga phanglakba apikpa senphamna leiraga hingliba miyamgi awaba chething piri masigi maramdi sakhangdaba singna good tax amadi road tax lawkhibadagi senpham singdu hanjinaba hotnabada carbar wala singna polam chairim sing mamal hengan iyolle masina carbar wala singiti masigi chething phangde miyamna chething phangi haibadu laingakna khangbuga loinana miyamgi awaba kokhanaba national highway protection force lingwa mathau tai masi punna maksi miyamgi apambani prajagi il khangna thabak tobiu Hello everyone, it is IPAP TV News, a news networking channel dedicated to the cause of human rights.